I just enforce them. Alright! Puzzle number 12. This puzzle does include an outside resource. Let's update my current puzzle to Donkey Kong. Three-way donk tie. Got all the Kongs. So it does include an outside resource, which is a PHP page. This could be another special today. Let's go. When Donkey Kong... Oh, God, no. When Donkey Kong is not involved with his typical monkey business, he works as a grease monkey in a typewriter repair shop. Huh. Oh, no, it's monkeys on typewriters. It's monkeys on typewriters. Do I get something different each time? I do get something different each time. Okay. Monkey 2 is very different. Monkey 2 uses a lot more new lines. Monkey 2 also uses a lot more numbers. It seems like. Yeah, Monkey 1 didn't use any numbers. So, we're going to have to probably do some frequency analysis here, aren't we? Francis, what about you? Francis's is very, wow, boy. Francis's is very wow, boy. That just jumped out at me, I'm sorry. Very neat. Very, very neat, very organized. Can we do 10,000 of those? Oh. Very blocky. And then monkey number 4. Oh, I don't like you, monkey number 4. Monkey number 4 has definitely discovered the shift key. Where do we even begin with this? I mean, we're going to need to plot relative frequency charts between them, aren't we? Are we assuming... Okay, if we just do one character... Okay, it seems pretty random. But they clearly all have different subsets of characters that they use. Do one character of each. So an R. Oh, wait, this isn't one character. This isn't one character at all. Trace can't count. Trace can't count. That's why Trace look like they have so much writing. Wait, do they just repeat it? They don't just repeat it. Okay. But they almost did there for a second. Maybe that was just random luck, but huh. Okay, what about Francis? Francis is fine. Francis is my favorite. For sure. Yeah, one character is represented by 2, maybe. And Lewis has like lowercase and some symbols as well. So does that mean with Trace, like, can we find common pairings? Because like, yeah, as you say, I guess with Trace, you kind of want like each output letter to be one input letter. But then I'm not seeing any like commonality with the pairings. Maybe if you have like more. Because like 80 should be one letter, right? But I'm not seeing a lot of 80s in there. There's a lot of 89s though. So like this is like an 8989, so that could be 2 letters repeated. We have P open square bracket. Okay, yeah, P open square bracket is a thing. That's going to be a letter. Then an 89. So yeah, we have like four clear letters in a row there. So 89 is probably like E or something. Is it always 89? No. Oh, it really isn't. Although we still have P open square bracket. We still have 80. There's an 89 there. 89 there. So maybe it is the same cipher, just a different message. So it's clearly pulling random messages from somewhere. Oh yeah, it's 80. Sorry, it's not 80. 80 is absolutely letter. So we have like 80, 89, P open square bracket. I mean, every other like set, right, should be a letter. We have M comma there, M comma there, M comma there, M comma there, L dot, L dot. But it feels like there's more than 26 for sure. Like trace type 89. Oh yeah. Well, if I ask you to do like an odd number, it doesn't actually change anything. What do we have from? So Francis was always the right number. Lewis was always the right number. Let's try doing 10. Yeah, you're fine. You're fine. You can't count. I hate you. Trace picks. Ooh, letters that are close to each other on the keyboard. Wait, let's see. What do we have? 0P, yeah. 4R, yeah. K, comma, yeah. Ooh. SX, they're always next to each other. 0 dash, JK, 5T, 0P, 3E. What does this mean? Do they do every combination? So if we do 1000, can we see like GH? GH, yes. GT. Or TG even. Is it always top to bottom? Not seeing any TG. There's TY. Yeah, there's plenty of TY. EN. 2W. Okay, so there's, yeah, definitely something keyboard related going on here. L dot. Numbers is always a letter below, and other letters is one besides the right. Well, it's always either one below and right, or just to the right. Because with like 6, we've probably got like 6Y, right? Where can we find a 6Y? I don't see a 6Y. Maybe that's just a really uncommon letter. But with 8, we've got like 8, 9. And although we did have 8O, which is a bit weird. Because it should be 8I, at least according to my keyboard. My calculator, yeah. So we've got, okay, if we look for 1s. We don't have any 1s at all, so no 1Qs. 2 is always followed by a W. So we have 2W, but we don't have 2-3. Which is interesting. So let me, you know what? Let's open this to the right and open this to the left. And let's start making a list of what letters we have. So we have 2W. Which, yeah, every single 2 is part of a 2W in that. You know what? I'm going to do, like, 100,000. That way we should have, like, literally everything in here. So let's do 2W. Yeah, 2W is the only thing that involves 2. We have no 1s at all. All our 3s are 3E. 4R. 5T. No 6s. All the 7s are part of 7U. All the 8s. We've got 2 for 8s. We've got 8, 9, and 8, O. We need to convert all this to text. And then with the 9s, all the 9s are part of 8, 9. And then 0s, we have 0 dash and 0p. Okay, so what do we have in terms of Q? We have QW, which is all the Qs. W always goes with 2W or QW. We don't have W. Oh, we do have a WE. Oh, no, it's just random. That's just random luck that we have that WE. Because we have a 2W and ER next to each other. 2WER seems like a common thing. Or even QWER. So that's not actually part of a duplicate. WS, again, that's all followed by QW and 2W. So I think all the... In fact, if we do like 2W, we have 3,211. And 3254. So the total should be 6465. Which should be the total number of W's we have. We have 3 extra W's. Oh, because of the top. Because of the top bit. Okay. So, yeah, we've got a QW, we've got a 2W. What have we got for E? We've got ER. No, ED's not a thing because there's not enough of them. ER and 3E. So it's like every letter's involved twice. So we have 2W and QW, 3E and ER. We'll probably have RT, right? No. We have RF? No. Oh, we have ER because that's already involved there. But then it's going to be TY. Yep. And then we're probably not going to have another one with the Y. Yeah, that's the only one with the Y. We're going to have UI. No, we're not going to have UI. We only have 3,000 U's. How many 7 U's do we have? 3, 2... Yeah, so the only U's we have are part of 7U. We don't have anything else involving U. We have IO. And that's all the things involving I. OP doesn't count. We have P, square brackets. Do we have P semicolon? No. Okay, we have AS, yes. We have AZ, no. SD, no. SX. Oh, SX is a thing as well. DF. And DC. FG, no. FV, no. GH. GB. I could just write something to extract all these doublets, but whatever. As I say, we don't make things easy for ourselves here. And K comma should be one, yeah. I think we said L dot was one as well. So how many have we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. There might be a couple of others that I've not found, but in fact, semicolon is part of one. Oh, is that P semicolon? No, L semicolon? Yeah. L semicolon, L dot. Was there M comma as well? Yes. So that's all the letters we've got, I'm pretty sure. So I could write something to do a frequency analysis of this. But we could just use find as well, quite easily. Because although they are mostly pretty much all the same. So like they're all about 3,000. This is a quick and dirty frequency analysis, but it should give us the gist that these are just random letters. Three, 2, 2, 8. Yeah, 3, 2, 7, 3. So they're definitely like all so close to each other. This is just randomly generated. But those are Trace's letters. Interesting. So Trace is using presumably QWERTY, but just presses 2 keys at the same time. What can we say about Bozo? Oops. So presumably there's 26 different characters here as well. It's so weird that, like, 7 use a thing, but then it's 8-0. So there's got to be some, like, list of typewriter layouts. Because the lack of 1 is definitely a typewriter thing. Because typewriters didn't have a 1 on them. Because you'd use the L as a 1. Oh, no images? Really? Why? Why would you do this? Alright, we do have images. So we have that. That. I'm just looking for something where 8 is next to O. Because it clearly isn't here, but we have 8O being a pairing. Keyboard layouts. Like, specifically, I ideally want typewriter layouts. Typewriter layouts. No one. Keyboard layout. We're doing some research. Probably going deep down a rabbit hole of research. 8-0. Except nothing else matches up there, but still. What is this layout? I hate it. Yeah, these are all non-English scripts, aren't they? I'm just noticing O and 8 on the same key there. I don't think that's relevant. Okay, I mean, there are a lot of different layouts on here. None of them is quite what I was looking for. Like, I don't know if we're going to have to search for a very specific type of layout or type of keyboard or even brand of keyboard. Maybe some of them were doing different things. But this is kind of implying that there's two letters on the same key. Maybe? No. There's 8s across both of these. Alright, what's the best way to do this? I mean, I feel like the best way to do this would be to code it. Yeah, the best way to do this is to code it. Right. Let's code something. Input.txt. We shall... Oh dear. Hello. No, thank you. Let's copy this output. In fact, I'll just copy the whole file. And then we'll just get rid of the top bit. Sure. Install some WSL stuff, I don't care. As you can tell, I've not used code since I've restarted this computer. I'll reinstall this computer. So this is Bozo. Nope, no, it's just Bo apparently. Bozo. Can we make this bigger? Yes, we can. All right. So here's what we'll do. It's been so long since I've coded. Oh my god. Require FS. Read file sync. Yep. UTF-8. Const input equals. Yeah, we got some hardcore JavaScript going on. In case just the end is padded with random data. Well, I think that was unlikely. We can always change the input. Well, we can change the input. So what do we want? We want a let's frick equals semicolon. So for input dots input dot split dots for each nope. So for each character in the input string, frequency of character, if it doesn't exist. God, it's been so long since I've actually written code. What the hell? I've been doing architecture for so long. Frick car equals 1. Else frick car plus. Let's see if this works. This works in my head, which is probably a bad place for it to work. Make this bigger. Node solve. Oh, there we go. That did work, apparently. We actually have some frequency with this as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I might have messed up though, because we do have 31 characters. So maybe like forward slashes. Maybe so that would mean that like these extras potentially maybe don't count, but that would be a set. We have two clearly very different like amounts of things. In fact, this one goes up to 6,000. So we have like one set of 6,000-ish things, a set of 3,000-ish things, and then a bunch of like small 700-ishes things. You'd ignore the /n new lines. Oh, good point. Good point. Good point. That's not part of this output text. Yes. Let's definitely ignore those. Whoops. If car equals /n. Continue doesn't work. I promise I can code. There we go. Let's do that. That's totally not ignore the /n's. Oh. Does that not work? Oh, it doesn't work at all. Oh, true. There we go. Beautiful. We can do it together. Together we can. JavaScript has triple equals. Yeah, double equals is something you never ever want to use. It's very bad. Type unsafe comparators. Okay. So I guess let's get this into Excel maybe, or Google Sheets maybe, so we can see what we're dealing with. So we definitely have yeah, this set down here. We have this set up here. I'm going to separate them into their, like, sets. Yep. So these are all very, like, super common. These are all mid-common. And these are all much rarer. These are about half as common as these. But then these are about like a quarter common of these. Which is interesting. Well, they're all like in the trace one they were all very evenly distributed. Let's do the same thing for the others, I guess. See what we're dealing with. Give me some output, Francis. Thank you. Just copy the whole thing. Francis.txt. Yep. And we'll do Francis. So here we have 7,000s and 1,000s and nothing in between. So we have the very common. We only have numbers 1 to 5. We don't have any 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Also, how many do we have? Quite a few. We have 35 characters on this one. 5 of them are numbers here. Fine. Do we have all the letters? You know what? That's a really good thing to check. So for Bozo, that's dots, that's semicolon, that's comma, that's forward slash. We had a line on the right here. And then can we arrange this by column B? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. For Bozo, we have every single letter plus 4 symbols. So that's fun, innit? Here we have, that's a slash, that's a comma, that's a dot, and that's a semicolon. It's always the same symbols as well. So if we have a look at which ones we're missing here, the sort range by D. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So that's got every single character, as well as the 4 symbols, the same 4 symbols, as well as the numbers 1 to 5. So that's interesting. Let's do the same thing with the last monkey. Monkey. Lewis. Your output is very strange. You have a lot of new lines as well. I wonder if new lines is going to actually be a thing in this one. Because there's clearly an end of statement type. Or is it just a question? It always seems to be after a question mark. Not, wait, no, not always. Let's go back to code. New file, lewis.txt. Paste that in. Get rid of this. We'll do Lewis. Clear. So again, we have this kind of 2-tiered system of like some that have like 2800 but most that have 600. But there are only 2 tiers, as ever. Wait, is it the uppercase that's... okay, this one we definitely need to do more analysis on. Let's go back to... So this, we've got like 60 characters. 60 different characters. Let's grab the left character from each of these. Yep. That's a dot. That's a less than symbol. So we have different symbols in this one. Question mark, comma, slash, semicolon, and greater than. So we have greater than and less than. So if we arrange this, so we have both A's, B's, C's, D's, E's, F's, G's, H's, I's, J's, K's, L's, M's, N's, O's, P's, Q's, R's, S's, T's, U's, V's, W's, X's, Y's, and Z's. So this has again got every single letter of the alphabet in it, upper and lowercase, but this time it's got 8 symbols. Oh wait, that's upper and lowercase symbols. Dot and greater, dot and less than, comma and greater than, semicolon and colon, and slash and question mark. That's uppercase and lowercase symbols. So Lewis is pressing shift. For some reason. And also, look at this. Yeah, we got the uppercase ones are always low, and the lowercase ones are always high in terms of frequency. That's not always the case, because that's a lowercase one that is high. That's a lowercase one that's high. So does it alternate? So we lowercase high, lowercase low, lowercase high, lowercase high, but it's always opposite. They're always opposites. So where one's high, one's low, but there's no pattern or reason to them. C, B, A. Same with these as well, yeah. Those two go with... Those two low ones go with those two high ones. And the other way around. Okay, so that's interesting. Huh. But he has no numbers. The only one with numbers... Oh, Tracer's got numbers as well, I guess. Yeah, absolutely no one here is stupid. Can I check Trace again? What do you mean by check it again? I guess I could code it to handle duplicate double characters. Oh, let's code it to handle double characters, shall we? Yeah, what's with the new lines, though? Like, Bozo's new lines... Bozo has basically no new lines. Trace has, like, new lines randomly after some sets. There's quite a common number of sets that always has new lines at the end. So I think that's probably, like, ends of phrases or end of statements. Bozo's space... Oh, Bozo's enter key maybe is broken. Oh, some natural wrapping going. Oh, okay. All right. Yeah, this is fine. So I'm assuming, yeah, based on this, none of the new lines matter. Okay, thank you. Thank you for confirming. That's just the way I'm zoomed in. Good old Chrome. Okay. So what does this tell us? We've got like an alphabet. In some cases, that alphabet is huge. Let's look at Trace again, I guess. I'm going to have to code my thing to deal with Trace's input. New file, trace.txt. Alright, so let's comment this out. So I want to split it. And... car index idx. So we want to first say if idx is less than... mod 2... is 0. So we all do this on every other character. Const char equals char and input idx plus 1. So might as well do the same here. Input idx. Input idx plus 1. And then it should just be the same as this. Oh, but that's not going to work because that's going to completely ignore the new lines. So I need to strip that of the new lines first. Input.filter? No. Dot filter. Car. Slash n. This is a messy one-liner. I should definitely split this, but you know, what can I say? This should work. Trace. Let's find out. It's not going to work. This is going to not work so hard. That did not work. That did not. Oh, it didn't filter my slash ends. Okay. All right. Let's just actually split the input array. Returns the elements of the array that meet the condition specified in a callback function. Why does that not work? Okay, that definitely didn't work. Array, string array, filter, char array, filter, JavaScript. That's all regex stuff. The Linux into input. Oh, yep. Yep. Thank you. That makes sense as to why it didn't work before as well. There we go. Okay, so these are all the differences. These are all... There's no two tiers here. These are all the same frequency. So we actually have more this time. Wait, which ones did I fail to find last time? I didn't find FC. Oh, I didn't find FC. What do I have here? We have 89, JK, K comma, L dot, 7U, 0 dash, CV, L semicolon, 3E, QW, DC, EN, SZ. So sometimes they do go backwards. Comma, GN. GN is another weird one. Because G and N aren't next to each other. At least not on QWERTY. P square bracket GHERIO ZX SX. I feel like these are the ones that are the biggest clues as to what's going on. Oops. Well. That's 2W, that is 0P, that is 4R, 8O, 5T, that is P brackets, M comma, 3E, L semicolon, 0 dash, 7U, L dot, K comma, oops. So that's the full alphabet for trace. We were missing quite a few. So what are we missing here? Are we missing anything in the alphabet here? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. No P. Oh wait, there is B. There's one P. Q, R, S, T, U, V, X, Y, Z, W. Okay, so it's got all the letters in it. It's got all the numbers apart from 6 and 1. Why no 6? 1 I can understand if this is like typewriter related. But the fact there's no 6s in there is a little weird. Especially when there's 7, 8, and 9. These are all about the same. As I say, there's just a flat frequency on this. Turn the paper ready, use 9. Oh, yeah, of course. Save a key. Save a key. Okay, what else can we can we try? I mean, I'm guessing, yeah, maybe these are forming, like, words. I don't fancy the task of going through and trying to actually decode them without something else to work with. They're sorted by frequency. So the frequencies are always, they're very flat frequencies. So for trace, the frequencies are all, you know, within error bounds, the same. For bozo, there's 3 different frequencies of 3 different levels of frequency. One around 700, one around 3800, and one around 6800. Hail, stop falling, please. Thank you. Lewis was the most interesting because the upper and lower cases all have a high frequency and a low frequency. Does Trace have 200,000? Should do. God, you really want me to extract that? God. Alright, I can probably do that. If we get the right 5 characters... We're like halfway there, right? And then... Not replace, substitute. Oh, you can't... Wait, you can't substitute with... Oh, no. I'm using single quotes. There we go. And then I want to, like, trim it. Aha! Dang it! Oh, no, it didn't work for this one. Oh, so close. Alright, fine. One I can do manually. So this... Oh, they don't have sums because they're not numbers. Format, number. Nope, because apparently they're still strings. You know what? Just paste by value. Why is it being so annoying? There we go. Just give me a simple number. I don't want decimals. Go away. Automatic. There we go. Yeah, so that's exactly 100,000. Perfect. Now I need to do the same thing for the rest of them. Easy. Only mildly struggling. Yeah, oh, you can do star 1 plus 0. Yeah. I think format automatic should do the same thing. I don't know why it wasn't. I think it wasn't because it was a formula that was always, like, forcing it back into a string. So I just paste by value. Boop, boop. Alright, let's... You know what? I can probably just do the same formula, right? Except I've got rid of it like a fool. D2, 5. Then we want substitutes. Let's get rid of the commas. And then we want trim. So just get rid of the spaces. Zoop. Has that got them all? That's got them all. Yeah! Oh yeah, trace is the easy one. And then we'll copy by value. Format automatic. We have 100,000. Oh, we have 100,000 double characters. So yes, that is also correct. That also corroborates. So our total count there is 100,000. So that means my code works. I'll take that. Oh, like my code works. I don't know why. And this time I'm going to be smart and actually copy this before copying by value. Incredible. So that's there. It's just this one that didn't get it, dang it. But I'm going to copy that there. No, not by value. That's 669. That's 909. Why is that just a couple of them that didn't work? It's so annoying. Copy by value. Copy by value. Format automatic and format automatic. Okay, so that's also 100,000. And that's also 100,000. Okay, they all add up to 100,000. Yeah! We've done everything right. We just don't know what that means. Means these monkeys are very, very clever. Why? There we go. And they know exactly how to... They know how to count to 100,000, except Trace, who only knows how to count up to 200,000. But it's clearly not words. Because there's no way that every single character would be the same frequency. So it's not words, it's just letters, random letters. Judging from the frequency, like it's a very flat frequency, there's some jitter to it, so clearly it's just like pulling randomly letters. But then everything other than trace has multiple tiers of probability. So it doesn't feel like a sequence to me. This feels like random letters. It's pure monkey. It's pure monkey on typewriter. Yeah. So I guess the... Well, firstly I can get rid of these. I can get rid of these. Now that we've got... Oh, whoops. Never mind. No, we can't. I've got to paste by value first. Whoops. I forgot we still have some formulas active. Boop. And... Boop. Okay, now we can get rid of these. So I've got all the information from them. You. So, what if we arrange by frequency now? No. No. Column C, please. So this is our low end. Those are the letters on our low end. ICJV NBQAH semicolon dot L. And then the next tier, how many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 on the first tier. 10 on the second tier. And then the top tier is DPSWMR. And the comma slash. Would I get low frequency of those letters if I ran another 100,000? Oh, that's a good point. Is it always the same? So we have D is also still high, P is still high, S is still high, W is still high, M is still high, R is still high, comma is still high, slash is still high, Y is still mid, X is still mid. So it's consistent. There is a consistency to this. E is mid, L is low. If you have a look at Francis, sort by column I. We have these 25 that are on the low tier. And these 10 that are on the high tier. If we're on 5 or 10, can we make out words? I don't think there's words in here. These frequency distributions do not correspond to words. For me. They correspond to just randomly pulled letters. Which is thematic. Column L. So here we have an exact even split, right? We have exactly 30 low and 30 high, because everything... Yeah. I wonder actually with Lewis... I'm not going to be able to test this, am I? Because all the K's are going to match the K's and capital K's. Dang it! I was going to see if it was consistent as to which was low and which was high. Because maybe Lewis does shift around. Let's test this. Lewis2.txt. So we'll Get rid of this. And get that. Well, that's wrong. Oh, that's because still doing trace. Yep. So let's take this back to our spreadsheets. So we have... Can we just sort? There we go. And sort this. By the same. So that, again... Wait, that's tying up exactly the same. No, it's not. Oh, yeah, it is. That's tied up exactly the same. This isn't randomly pulled data. What? No, that's Lewis, not Lewis 2. I ran the exact same data. This data matches precisely. What does this mean? Anyway. I was so confused. Coding is hard, okay? Okay, there we go. All right. So yeah, it's always the same pattern. Yeah, that's because that corresponds to that. It's randomized the order because yay for JSON stringify not having consistent definitions across JavaScript. Hooray. These is yeah, it's always the it's always like the capital E that's got the high probability and like the lowercase f that's got low probability. That's all that seems consistent. So that means something. We just don't know what. Code monkey, get up, get coffee. Yeah. What does this mean? What does any of this mean? I'm thinking keyboard layouts is a key part of this. But then we would need a keyboard layout that's got like 35 keys. 35 key typewriter. Please tell me one exists. What? It doesn't. Code Monkey's cartoon? I don't know that one. I feel like the names have got to be hints as well. Is there like a trace typewriter? No. Lewis typewriter? Oh, I hate when you get a 10-second dill at me. It's the worst. Right, I'm open to suggestions if anyone has any. Because we could try and like find... This looks like a promising set of letters. Wait, removing traces doubles? What do you mean by traces doubles? Oh, what was the flavor text? When Donkey Kong is not involved with his typical monkey business, he works as a grease monkey in a typewriter repair shop. It's a repair shop, so that implies that these are malfunctioning. Trace has keys stuck together, you want to remove the doubles. Don't know what you mean. We've been treating them as single letters with the doubles. But then how do you know which one he meant to press? Because like with SZ and SX. I guess it doesn't really matter, but... yeah. I think I'm fine just treating them as... Delatme. Congratulations on your reduced Delatme. I have GN and GH. I feel like keyboard layouts has to be something to do with it. Let's do more research. Keyboard layouts. Typewriters. So obviously we've got QWERTY. The four symbols we always have to deal with are comma, dot, semicolon, and forward slash. That's what we have to do with that. This looks... This has definitely got all of those on. Oh, it's not got forward slash, actually. QWERTY variants. Danish, Dutch, Estonian. I mean, we've already been through all these, right? The fact that Bozo Third is Bozo the Third. What is Bozo the Third? I don't think that's... It doesn't seem to be a reference to anything unless it's Bozo the Clown. Does the name anagram to anything? I doubt it because there's too many vowels. No. I specifically want... I don't want information on keyboards. I want information specifically on typewriters. Typewriter keyboard layouts. Here we go. Ah, give me more information. Keyboard arrangements. That's got... This is the only one that I've seen that's got like 8 next to O. But nothing else will match up, so... Well, taking a lot of new knowledge here. So that's fun. Alright, do any of them match up to Dvorak at all? Based on what we've seen. Because we've got those. Where are those on the keyboard? All over? All over. What are the big ones on here? KWON. Would I be okay with a strongish push? I think I'm okay for now. I'm just enjoying. I enjoy the feeling of being stuck. I'm probably on a massive red herring, and I know that's probably like, very annoying, but I think we're okay. I want it to be keyboard layout related, but I think that keyboard layout is probably a red herring. There's got to be something typewriter related. We need to like research typewriter history. I mean, hey, the redemption for wait, is the redemption not there? Did I not enable the redemption? For the hints? I thought I did. Oh, I didn't. Oh, I'm stupid. Whoops! There we go. Look up typewriter Wikipedia. This is probably like the most interesting thing I've got, because like there's an interesting collection of letters there that very much could anagram to something. Let's have a look at see if it does. It doesn't, but it could. Why just those letters for Francis? Why just those letters? Hints have economically changed, it's true. I should up the price. Sefiwonk 25, yes. It's a brand of typewriter with a very specific layout, and the letters on the typewriter just read out, the answer is... I mean, it's got 2 S's, but that's fine. It was a quirk of typewriters back in the day. See, look, this one clearly has 2 S's. What is this? Wait. Why does this have 4 S's on it? I'm confused. 2 E's. I don't understand what that diagram's getting at, but oh well. Or room why keyboards have the layout they do so the top row can split typewriter quotes. That's fair. That's it definitely does that. Yeah. Having a bajillion S's and E's is kind of smart. Yeah, exactly. You can just you don't even need to look at the keyboard. You just go slam and you just probably get an S. It's fine. You just stumble into one. What is Maltron? Oh, they're like special ergonomic ones. Okay, we're on the wrong track. So, how do we get back on track? Let's reevaluate. So, theoretically, according to this frequency distribution, no letters in Lewis's is more common than other. It's just whether it's uppercase or lowercase. Right, let's make a list. Let's make a list of all the lowercase of all the high frequency ones. And whether they are upper or lower. Sort range by L. So for the upper range, we have this. Can we transpose that, please? And can we concat that? Oops. Thank you. So those are all the high frequency ones from Lewis. And we can split that into like high frequency upper, lower, and symbol. So these are all high frequency. So it's a full alphabet between the two of them. And then the low frequency is just going to be the same thing, but this is like... that's a lower. Oops. And then it's going to be that's. Yeah, it is question mark, isn't it? What does this tell us? Are there exactly 13 of each? Yes. No. What? Wait, I'm missing things. Oh no, it's 15 and 11. So there's 15 high frequency lowercase and 11 high frequency uppercase. It's like we have two sets, but they're not the same size, so they can't really corroborate with each other. You can spell quote out of this. Is it hint time? Wait, is it actually hint time? Let's see if it's hint time. We started a hint poll. I'm wondering if generating any more input would be at all useful, because I feel like we've kind of got the only thing that generating input can tell us. These different frequency levels has to be something to do with it. Whether the point is to spot these different frequency levels, or whether yeah, the poll's only valid for one hint level. Because the way it works, I guess. Yes. I mean, the bronze hint is probably fairly useless. But hey, y'all have loads of points. I know you do, so. Actually, did I even put a cooldown on it? I hope I put a cooldown on it. Oh yeah, there's a 5-minute cooldown on hint redemptions. Okay. Okay. All right. Listen up. So, the high frequency one is an anagram of quotey jams, and jams is the quotey can all be written out on the top level of a keyboard, and jams can be written on the bottom 2 rows of a keyboard. There we go. I think that's an important observation. We have some quotey jams. Hello, how's it going? All right, let's get a hint. We've redeemed it. A hint has been redeemed. I'm also going slightly mad. A QWERTY keyboard is needed for all 4 monkeys. So specifically it is QWERTY. It is not any other layout of keyboard. Huh. So QWERTY jams is clearly very important. That does eliminate quite a bit. We already knew in the case of trace. So what if... Okay. What if we actually get a map? That is actually probably more helpful. I was expecting it to be completely useless, but you know what? Actually, not bad. What if we get a map here? Right. And we map out Trace's actual, like, duplicates. So we have, like... Can I lower that opacity, please? Ew. Oh, it could actually be semaphore. Wait, I hate that. No, it won't be semaphore. This isn't Puzzle Pint. I've locked my layers, don't worry. So we have like ZX, TY, SZ, SX, QW, KM, JK, IO, GN, GH, FC, ER, DF, DC, CV, BN, AS, P square bracket, M comma, L dot, L semicolon, K comma, 80, 89, 7U, 5T, 4R, 3E. I don't know what I'm doing right now. 2W, OP, and 0 dash. Does that spell anything? That's interesting. Oh, it's 0p. Julisl? Julisl? Not Pigpen. Well, then the bottom doesn't work. Oh, 0 dash. Julisk? Julisk. Okay, Julisk isn't anything. Maybe that's not a J. Oh, wait, is this bottom supposed to be Caesar? I can definitely see the... Wait, that's not a Z, though. I can see that being an R. That's being an R, that's fine. I guess this maybe could be an E. Oh no, that's an A. Oh yeah, that's a lowercase e. Huh. It is Julius Caesar minus the U. Julius Caesar. Yeah, it's all gonna be Shakespeare. I was expecting it to be Shakespeare quotes, but that also makes sense. Okay, so let's add another layer. So what if we do like I, C, J, V. These are all the lower ones from Bozo. B, Q, A, H, semicolon, dot, L. Oh, wait, they're instructions? Oh, no. Wait, you said we had one instruction and 3 something. What are the other 3? 3 hints. So Bozo's a hint. Okay. So the middle ones are like E. I don't know. I don't know if this is gonna give us anything, but I'm gonna finish this anyway. These are the middle tier. So E, K, O, T, F, G, Z, U. That was genius. The Julius Caesar thing, by the way. X, Y. And then the rest would just be. Well, I might as well draw it in, I guess. Do it in yellow. So we have comma slash D P S W M R. I don't know if this has helped at all, but Bozo the Third is a hint. Okay. I guess yeah. If let's have a look at Bacon cipher, because Francis and Bacon makes sense. So for that we would need A's and B's. Lewis is probably Braille. Okay, let's stick with Francis. So yeah, for Bacon Cipher, we need it to split it into sets of 5. Which, to be fair, it already is. There's 35 characters in there. It needs to be A's and B's. Okay, so to me, this is saying, let's rearrange this into QWERTY. Yeah, let's. I think we can do the same thing with Francis Cipher. Because we'll have like 5 here, 5 here, 5 here, 5 here, 5 here, 5 here. Yes, we will. Oh my god, yes, we totally will. So the only B's in there are gonna be. Wait, no, because 5 is in it as well. Oh wait, this is why 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is in it. Because that's a character. Tails fainted. No, Tails. Damn it. Tails fainted from from how good the trace bit was. So the high ones are 5, K, N, O, W, I, F, S, E, 2. So we need. So this is A B A B A A B. Wait. This is Francis. So we have A B A A B, A B B A A, A B B A, A B A B A, A B A A, A B A. What letters are these? Bacon Cipher. We have K, O, G, L, E, A, R. Coglia. I mean, it's clearly King Lear, but where do we get the O from? That should have been an N. So, wait, was it an N? So the T should have been high frequency as well, right? It's either going to be Kiglear or Kinglear, because they've all got a letter missing, right? So should the T have been high as well? Because it wasn't. Wait, no, that's right. Yeah, sorry, that is an N. That is an N. I'm stupid. All right, okay, cool. So, Kunglia. 2 down. 2 down. Oh, this is so clever. This is I love just ciphers popping up in like completely unexpected ways. Like using a keyboard for this is absolute genius. Konglia. I mean, it's Donkey Kong. Okay, Lewis. So you think Lewis is going to be Braille? That would make sense. So let's try. I guess yeah. Let's. This is. I mean, yeah. This makes sense because we got the lower cases and upper cases. So all right, we already know that Quotey Jams is the upper cases. Oh god. Yeah, Quotey Jams. So we got one character here. 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 And here. So we have Q, U, O, T, E, Y, J, A, M, B, S, as well as dot comma colon slash. Yeah, Corsi Jams made that a lot faster. Right, let's do some Braille guide. And we have... move that left. We have H A. It's gonna be Hamlet. Ham. Never mind. V. Z. I've done something wrong here. Okay, so it's gonna be the other way around on these. Yeah, it's gonna be the other way around on these. So we want those to be off. So it's Hamlet. That's me. That's my transcription error. Hamlet. Hamlet. I can't type. There we go. And we just need Bozo. The third. Yeah, we got there in the end. Bozo the third. What is your deal? So we have three... This one we have 3 different levels of frequency. We have the lower ones, the middle ones, and the upper ones, which we've already mapped out over here. We got the detailed family history. So Bozo the clown. It does only take... Wait, no, hang on. There are characters. Yeah. So we've got a grid of 10 by 10. 10 by 3 even. So... could this be some kind of, like, trinary or something? Where we've got, like... 0... Yeah, could this be trinary? Trinary ASCII. Ternary to ASCII. You know what? Puzzle Pint. Puzzles. Any of them. Give me the code sheet. Why have they changed the website? This is not allowed. Oh my god, wait, they've actually moved their... They actually changed their website. I hate this. I can't deal with change. Code sheet, there we go. So this could be like a ternary thing. We would have... the yellows would have to be... twos. So this would be like 202. So that'd be a T. For this one. Wait, that would be T for this one. This would be 100, which would be I. This would be 012, which would be E. This would be 102, which would be K. 100 again, which would be another I. It's gonna be As You Like It. I can't believe this actually worked. 210 U. Yeah, so it's the third specifically part of it. 120, which would be an O. 220 is a Y. And then we have the 001 of A. A, you like it. Ah. A, you like it. Suet? Hey, you like it. Oh, suit. Automod did not like you calling me a numpty. But there you go. Add permitted term, you numpty. Suit! Suit! It's suit, not suet. It didn't look like a word for a second. It's fine. We got there. Suit. Yeah! 4 seconds appear on the machine! Actually submit. Oh, I love that. 4 tickets. 4 whole tickets. All for me! Alright, I'll share.